In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Brave history. If your browser is running slowly, suggestions feel cluttered, or you just want a fresh start, clearing your history is a quick way to tidy things up. I'll walk you through every click so you know exactly what to expect, and I'll point out a few helpful notes along the way. First, open Brave browser. Give it a moment to load your homepage or any tabs you had open previously. Don't worry, clearing history won't close your tabs or remove your bookmarks. It only targets the record of sites you visited. Next, look to the upper right corner of the window for the three horizontal lines. This is the main menu. Click it to open the menu. You'll see a list of options related to settings, tools, and more. From here, click on History. This opens a quick view of recent pages and gives you an easy path to the full history controls. Now, click on Open History page. This takes you to a dedicated page where Brave lists your browsing activity. It's a straightforward layout that lets you review what's stored. If you just want to understand what's about to be removed, take a moment here to glance through the list so you know you're in the right place. On this page, find and click on Delete Browsing Data. Depending on your version, it may be labeled similarly to Clear Browsing Data, but it serves the same purpose. When you click it, Brave will bring up a confirmation panel that explains what will be removed. This targets history entries on your current device and does not delete your bookmarks, save passwords, or autofill information unless you choose those separately elsewhere. To finish, click on Delete from this device. This confirms that you want the history removed locally. If you use Brave Sync, keep in mind this action clears the history on the device you're using. Other devices remain unchanged unless you repeat the process there. After a brief moment, the history list on this page should reflect the change, and you'll notice it's now empty or significantly reduced. That's it. You've successfully cleared your Brave browsing history. This is a simple maintenance step you can repeat anytime you want a cleaner experience or you're troubleshooting odd behavior. Thanks for watching, and if this was helpful, feel free to revisit these steps whenever your browser needs a quick reset.